Welcome to Aarti's Education. Today we are going to learn our last chapter, Preparation for Algebra. In this chapter, we are going to know about algebra, equality, inequality, how we can put questions in the form of algebra. So, what is the algebra? In a simple language, algebra consists of the use of numbers and letters to state and solve problems. It means addition and subtraction of letters. So for it, we should know about equality and inequality. So first, let's learn about equality. Look, when we add, subtract, multiply or divide two numbers, the answer we get is always another number. For example, when we add 5 and 3, we get the number 8. We write this as 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Similarly, when we subtract 6 from 12, we get the number 6 here. Now let us think about this in another way. Suppose that by performing a mathematical operation on two numbers, we have obtained the number 12. Let us find pairs of such numbers. They could be 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, or 10 plus 2 is equal to 12, 14 minus 2 is equal to 12, like this. When we want to say a number obtained by adding 6 and 6, it is easier to express it by using bracket like 6 plus 6. 10 plus 2 means a number obtained by adding 10 and 2. Now 14 minus 2 means a number obtained by subtracting 2 from 14. Then 6 into 2, it means a number obtained by multiplying 6 by 2. And again we can get 24 by 2 is equal to 12. This means a number obtained by dividing 24 by 2. Arrangements like 6 plus 6, 10 plus 2, 14 minus 2, 6 into 2, 24 divided by 2 are called expressions. These arrangements are called expressions. What is this? Expressions. The value of each of these expression is 12. This is the value we get it. Which means all these expressions are equal to each other. Expressions whose value are same, that expressions are called equal expressions, or they are equal to each other. We can also write this as 6 plus 6 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 14 minus 2 is equal to 6 into 2 is equal to 24 upon 2, like this. An expression such as 6 plus 6 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 14 minus 2 is called an equality. So, what is equality? An expression whose values are equal are called equality. An expression whose value are equal, they are known as equal expressions, or it is called an equality. Expressions such as equal value is called an equality. To represent equality, we are going to use sign like this, equal sign. This sign we are going to express equality. Now let's learn about inequality. Inequality is totally opposite of equality. Look at the values like 7 plus 5 and 7 multiplied by 5. Here we get different values like 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 and 7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 35. Here we get two different values. It means that they are not equal. To represent not equal, the symbol, this type of symbol is used to represent not equal. So we can write it as 7 plus 5 not equal to 7 multiplied by 5. To show that 7 plus 5 and 7 multiplied by 5 are not equal, we write them as like this in short. This kind of representation is called an inequality. Look, another example of inequality. Suppose 6 plus 2 and 7 multiplied by 3. 6 plus 2 we get the number 8 and 7 multiplied by 3 we get the number 21. So we can write it as 6 plus 2 is not equal to 7 multiplied by 3. This is known as inequality. This kind of representation is called an inequality. Hope you understand about equality and inequality. Now in next video we are going to solve problem set 54. Let's see you in next video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.